Okay, so this is going to be part 2 of I Can Understand the Coordinate Plane. Okay, I'm going to quickly draw my horizontal number line, which for the coordinate plane translates into the x-axis. One, two, three, four, five. And I go 0. I start at 0, and I get -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Let's draw the vertical number line on a coordinate plane. We call this y-axis. We have +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, starting at the origin, going down, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay, so we know that this is the y-axis. We know that the green horizontal one is the x-axis. And we also know that the point of intersection between the two perpendicular number lines is called the origin. One easy to remember is a 0 looks like the letter O, so I just think 0, O, origin, right there. All right, a couple new vocabulary words. So the point of the coordinate plane at the 5th grade level is to look at it and see how I can distinguish between different points on the coordinate plane. So I can't just randomly just make a point. What you do is you always start at your origin. You always start at your origin, and you always look left to right first. So side to side. You start at the origin, and then you move. Let's say I move to the right 3 units. 1, 2, 3. My first number is 3, and that number, because it's on the x-axis, you've moved 3 units to the right from the origin, that number is going to be called an x-coordinate. That's my first number. My second movement, so I have 1, 2, 3, I move 3 units to the right, I stay right here, and now I get to move up or down. If I go down, I go into the negatives. If I go down, it's -1, -2, -3, -4. If I go up, it's still positive. So I'm going to look at, let's go to 4. So we have +3 for the x. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is where I make my point. I'm just going to draw this. This is not normal, but just, you can see my path here. I moved up 4. And I move to the right 3. My second number to pinpoint this point is 4. I moved 4 up. We put parentheses around these 2 numbers. And the second number is called the y-coordinate. The 2 numbers together are called an ordered pair. So if I want to make a point on my coordinate plane, I always start at the origin. Always start at the origin. Always start at the origin. Then move your units either to the right or to the left. If it's positive, I go to the right. If it's negative, I go to the left. Starting at the origin, I have a +3. So 1, 2, 3, that's my place. I'm going to go up 4. That's positive. I'm going up 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I make my point right here, I can see that I go 3 right. That's my first x coordinate, 3. And then I go 4 up. That's my y coordinate, 4. 3, 4. That's an ordered pair with the parentheses around the 2 numbers. And that is how you pinpoint different points on a coordinate plane. You can go to any of the different quadrants. These are called quadrants. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. But we're lucky in 5th grade, we only have to worry about this quadrant right here. So remember, always start at the origin. Either move right or left, so side to side first, then you move up and down. Your x-coordinate is the first digit or the first direction of the first number of units you're going left to right. The y-coordinate is the second one, so you go up and down is the y-coordinate. Always, x is always first, then y is always second. How do we remember this? Just think about the ABCs. In the alphabet, the x comes before the y. And that's it.